They feel that Canon's been making a lot of these weird business decisions lately. I, for one, don't think I'm usually affected by them. I think the most popular one has to be the RF mount. The fact that they don't allow third-party manufacturers to make these RF lenses with autofocus. That one doesn't really affect me. I feel that the biggest mistake they've done has got to be this. Not this lens, but this system. So this is the EFM 55 to 200 millimeter lens, and it just boggles my mind how like they can make a lens this tiny for a particular market and then just stop all of a sudden. And in my opinion, this has to be their biggest mistake, just because we might not see something like this ever again. Not on any mount. The RF mount, they're not going to recreate this because, again, that mount is too big. The EFM mount has an APS-C sensor inside all these cameras, and they're good cameras as well. After the first EFM, M2, M3, I think after those cameras, they became really substantial performers. The M6 Mark II that I'm recording right now, it's such a small package. The kit lens itself performs so well. The dark apertures are a pretty huge compromise in my opinion. I think it's worth the compromise for me personally, just because like the size that it can come in and the value that it can provide in terms of portability, it's so underrated. I'm in Vietnam right now and I've just brought a kit along with me. I brought 3 lenses. I brought the 55 to 250. I brought the kit lens. I brought the, hold on, I'll go get it. I brought these 2 lenses. This is the 32mm f1.4 and this is the 22mm f2. Just to show you how good these cameras actually are, this is basically a 90D stuffed into a tiny little body. It's such a tiny package for the amount of things it can do. Battery life is pretty good. And if it's not, just bring extra batteries. I brought 4 batteries along with me, so basically 1 in the camera and 3 just in the bag. I have not touched the ones in the bag just because when I'm out the entire day, I take photos. I don't do much videos, so I can't really speak much on that side of things, but for photos, I leave it on a lot of times. That's just shooting the entire day from morning till night. I don't finish 1 battery. It just stays the entire time. Sure, you don't have redundant recording, you don't have like the dual card slots, you don't have a lot of these features, but they are perfect for just a travel kit in my opinion. I've got it on a small tripod right now from Ulanzi, and I've got the Rode Video Mic NTG, which probably is way too big for this camera, but it's what I have with me, so I just thought I'd bring it along. I'll probably get the Video Micro later on. Makes more sense. But anyways, what are your thoughts? What are your thoughts on this EFM system? I'm going to make a more comprehensive video about this soon, but just thought I'd share my thoughts since I'm at, Vietnam right now. Do you want to see? Come, let me show you. The view. The pool, some greens, and the sea. The beach is somewhere there. Alright, so let me know in the comments down below what you want to hear about, or what you want to tell me about the EFM system, whether you love it, you hate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe if you want to see that, I guess. And like the video if you want to, I don't know, just bye.